King Khafre, a legend built on stone. In the heart of the Egyptian desert, under the rays of a sun that never sets, stands a towering statue that defies time. The great Sphinx, the legendary guardian of the glory of a great king. King Khafre, son of King Khufu, and heir to the secrets of miracle building. Khafre, the fourth ancient Egyptian of the fourth dynasty, was not just a ruler. He was a genius at employing art and architecture to instill his awe in the hearts of humanity. He decided to leave his mark on history, so he built for himself the second largest pyramid in Giza, which still captivates the world with its terrifying height and precise slope. To complete the picture, he placed the great Sphinx in front of him, as if to say, "I am the king who never sleeps, and who is guarded by time itself." But Khafre's greatness did not stop at construction alone. It extended throughout his reign, which witnessed political stability and economic prosperity. He possessed a royal charisma and wisdom that made him beloved by his people and feared by his enemies. He believed in the idea of the God-King, making himself a symbol of power and immortality. He dedicated art and religion to his service, and statues depicting him in a majestic pose, seated on his throne as a living god, became widespread. Behind every stone in his pyramid is a story, and behind every statue is an eternal message: that Egypt is a land of miracles, and that its kings were created to dazzle the world. Can you imagine how Khafre made his decisions from within his mortuary temple? If you want to delve deeper into the secrets of this dazzling ancient Egyptian,